Thank you, Baba. Thanks for bringing it back. You didn't want to bring it all the way up? Come on. Come on. Ready?
This is the cutest thing ever. Oh.
You always bring it back.
I like how he slowly walks it back to her. He runs out and slowly walks it back. It's so funny.
He's been so in the best these days. It's the best thing in the whole world. This morning he was bringing it back.